What is... Alright, so I'm here at Hayes Nature Preserve in Alabama. This is my second time here. The first time I fished here I got skunked, so I have the entire day, well most of the entire day. I have some editing I have to do. I have to edit a wedding for somebody, but I generally have the entire day to explore and fish, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully I don't get skunked today. Today I'm gonna be fishing with my Calamus Ultralight rod, Cast King Calamus, and this little Abu Garcia Black Max 10 ultralight reel. I also brought my ultralight lures with me, so hopefully I catch something. It's a beautiful day out. I think it's actually supposed to get to 70 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up and get started. The last time I was here, I went and talked to the lady inside the office, and she told me that you don't actually need a fishing license to fish in this main body, but she said anywhere else on the preserve you need a license to fish. So after I fish this main body, I'm gonna go ahead and explore around. I'm guessing there's other parts that you can fish here. The first time I came here I only fished this main body, so after I'm done fishing this main body, I'm gonna go explore around to see what else there is to fish. Alright, so I can see some down logs in the water, so I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. Cast number 1. Oh, a crappie just came up and struck at it. I missed it. Oh, that's a good sign. Maybe he'll come back. That sucks. If that would have been first cast, first fish, that would have been a good sign, but at least got a strike. I've spooked everything off. Oh my gosh, now a bass just went at it. I think they could see me. I'm gonna stand back a little. Hey man, so I'm getting strikes next to this little log. It looked like 2 crappie. It might have been the same crappie that struck at it twice. And then a little bass just went at it. So far I've had a few strikes, but I haven't been able to catch anything. I'm gonna walk back to the car, grab a charger for my GoPro, and on the way back I'm gonna give it a few casts next to the place where I got those initial bites. If I don't get any strikes there, I'm gonna go ahead and just start exploring here and see what else there is. If not, where I started, dang, I can see a bunch of bass over there right now. I don't want to spook them. Don't spook. There's all these bass. All these bass close to the edge over there. I don't want to spook them. There we go, finally. Whew. Finally, man. All that time, got my first bass. This hooked pretty good. Wasn't gonna get away. Let's get this hook out and let him go. Alright, so I'm just getting back to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and drive around and see if there's any streams or creeks that flow through here. What is... Oh, nice. Woo! Definitely a new species. Whoa. Alright, so this is a new species for me. I'm not sure what this is, but I saw this actually come up and hit my lure. It's actually a nice sized fish. Go ahead and get him back in the water. Whoop. Oops. Uh-oh. There he goes. Oh man, this is awesome. Warm day out, catching fish. Yes, another. Wow, man. Awesome day it's turning out to be. Let's go ahead and release them. Just let them go. It ended up being an extremely good day out today. I got to get home and get some work done. It's about 2 o'clock. I plan on coming back out here when it gets, hopefully the temperature stays warm and I can get back out here. I think it's supposed to rain all weekend and we'll be able to fish next week, so I'm extremely glad I got out today. Definitely had some fun. So catch you next time, take care, and please subscribe.